Hello students, this is Supriya ma'am here with English Literature class of class 4 part 5. Students, take out page number 18 of your English Literature book and let's go through the concluding paragraph of the story, The New Alarm Clock. In this concluding part, there is a twist in the story. Let's see what it is. Back in school, we were wondering why Tina had not come early. Even after our brilliant efforts. Wondering here means it was unexpected to them. They were thinking why Tina hadn't yet come. Brilliant efforts means brilliant attempt. Tina came later than usual. She cast a really dirty look at us and I avoided looking at her. Here, cast means she directed her eyes towards her friends in anger. We were having an essay test. And you, Tina, can write about why you came late to school today. 1000 words. Today, I'll deal with you, Miss Sudipta said. Here, deal means an agreement between the two or a form of treatment. Later, during recess, we heard the whole story. Recess means break time. I got very nervous. Here, nervous means scared. What if Tina's mother was so angry that she never invited us to have samosas or anything? A terrible thought. Terrible means unpleasant or guilty thought. However, Miss Sudipta put things right the next day. I felt like bowing low to her. Bowing low? Why it is so? It is because Tina's friend felt guilty for the alarm clock. Very creative essay. I should say, Tina. Jigsaw clock, indeed. Some imagination. An A for you. Creative means innovative. Indeed, we use the word indeed when we emphasize something. Imagination means the ability to form ideas in mind. Tina smiled at us broadly. Come home today. Mom is making kheer, she whispered. I was thrilled to hear that. Thrilled means excited. Very nice ending. So students, did you like the story? Okay. So now, let us go to the harder words. Harder words. Wandering. Number 1, wandering. Number 2, brilliant. Number 3, recess. Number 4, nervous. Number 5, terrible. Number 6, creative. Number 7, imagination. Number 8, thrilled. So students, we have completed reading out the chapter along with harder words and word meaning. Next day, we will discuss question answers, fill in the blanks, textual grammar, etc. So that's all for today. So bye students and be safe.